Oh.
Just to get your picture.
Hey, you're in the shot. Get up.
Mike's looking for his coat, and I said, maybe Caroline has it on.
Hey.
Wow! That's for Hayden. Santa couldn't fit it in the house.
Nice.
He's gonna cry.
Oh my God.
Big one. Wow.
Why are you freezing though?
You gonna try it out?
You're turnip freezing. I can just see it.
I gotcha. Press the gas pedal. You probably can. Press the pedal.
You see the pedal?
Put your foot there. Yeah, you can press it. Go down. You have to keep pressing it.
Oh, it is so wet back here.
You gotta turn.
You gotta steer it.
You gotta press the gas pedal and turn at the same time.
Let's get him up on the road.
Get him up. Woo! Wow, look at his dog!
That's awesome.
Right through the mud.
You're gonna have donuts in your
I know.
That's the low speed. Well, why would you change it to a low speed?
Yeah, we're having fun watching him in the fast speed.
Hey, watch out!
There's a cliff.
Okay, press the gas.
I didn't see his face. I'm not coming out of that.
I did.
You gotta look where you're going, Hayden. You gotta keep going.
Ron, thanks for breakfast.
Are you out of here?
Yeah, I gotta go put my turkey in the oven.
What? Keep going, Hayden.
Or I have to if I don't.
It's good to
It's not
see
gonna be
you.
ready by 4:30.
I'll get you up on the road and
Thank
you
you
go
very much for
faster.
coming. Did you?
Why don't go take it up on the road?
Your tray
Can
back.
I go for a ride?
Okay.
Hey, Hayden.
Yeah, we're off. We're
Did
off.
you get
Okay.
for a ride?
I got to just go in on Tuesday and that's it.
Sorry. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Have a good
Bye.
dinner.
Bye.
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 I'm glad you got here to see that.
Yes, that was hilarious.
Bye, Pen.
Bye.
Thank you.
It looks like his face. Did you
Have
get
fun
it?
with your
Yeah,
family.
remember the way that was.